Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid on a photo. Grids are incredibly useful tools that can significantly enhance the composition and balance of your images. They provide a visual framework, helping you arrange elements more effectively. We'll explore how these simple lines can transform your photography, guiding your eye and creating more engaging visuals. It's a fundamental technique for improving your photo's structure. The rule of thirds is a cornerstone of photographic composition. Imagine dividing your image into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. The key is to place your main subject or important elements along these lines or at their 4 intersection points. This off-center placement often creates a more dynamic and visually appealing photograph than simply centering everything. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your shots. Fortunately, most modern photo editing software and even many camera apps come equipped with built-in grid overlays. To activate this feature, simply navigate to your application's View menu or Settings and look for an option like Show Grid or Composition Grid. You can often customize the grid's appearance, such as its color or line thickness, to ensure it's clearly visible against your image without being distracting. This makes applying compositional rules very straightforward. Beyond the standard rule of thirds, you can explore more advanced grid techniques. Some software allows you to create custom grids, perhaps for specific aspect ratios or to align multiple elements with extreme precision. You might also experiment with other compositional guides, such as the golden ratio or diagonal method, which offer different aesthetic appeals. These custom grids provide even greater control, helping you achieve unique and sophisticated compositions in your photography.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.